In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Freshsales. If you've ever found yourself needing to back up your contacts, or perhaps share them with someone else, you'll find this process incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and make it as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. A familiar environment like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari would do just fine. Once your browser is open, type Freshsales into your search bar and hit Enter. This should lead you to the Freshsales login page where you can begin our process. After reaching the Freshsales homepage, it's time to log in. Use your credentials to access your account. If you're not automatically redirected, look for the Login button in the top right corner of the screen. It's typically marked clearly. Enter your username and password, and you'll be inside your Freshsales dashboard in no time. Now that you're in, navigate to Admin Settings. You can usually find this option in the upper menu or sidebar of your dashboard. Sometimes it might be under a settings icon that resembles a cogwheel. Click on Admin Settings, then proceed to Account Settings. Finally, select the Account option from the drop-down menu. This route will lead you to the place where you can manage various settings related to your account, including exporting data. Once you've accessed the Account section, keep an eye out for the option labeled Export Data. This is the key feature that will enable us to retrieve the contacts you desire. Typically, it's straightforward to locate. Just scan the menu options available in this section until you find it. Click on it, and you'll be faced with a few choices that will set up next. At this stage, you will need to select a date range. This will determine which contacts you want to export. If you know the specific dates when the contacts were added or updated, set those here to narrow down your export. Otherwise, selecting a default or comprehensive range will capture everything. Additionally, you'll want to choose the type of data you wish to extract. In our case, we're focusing on contacts, but bear in mind you might have other data types you can select as well. After refining your choices, identify and select the contacts category from the list of records that you wish to export. Confirm that your selections are accurate, especially if you have other data types that could mistakenly be included if not carefully selected. Once everything looks good, it's time for the main event. Click the Export button, which will initiate the download process. When this is complete, you should receive an email from Freshsales containing a link. This link will provide you with access to a zip file, which holds your exported contacts within it. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Freshsales. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your essential data is safely back in your hands. With practice, you'll be able to repeat this process seamlessly whenever needed.